Hi everybody, today I'm filming what I eat in my day, and basically I have a couple of things I want to prep later on after lunch. That's basically what's happening. Today is Sunday. Yeah, so we're gonna make 3 dishes today, or 4, or 3, but we're gonna make, well, more than that because I have to still show you what I'm eating other than the other meals. So we're gonna start with breakfast. Today for breakfast I am having waffle, 2 waffles, they're proteins waffles, and 2 fried eggs, just with salt on top and pepper. I'm not that complicated. And what else is gonna be on there? And a quarter of avocado. Really simple, quick dish. Doesn't take more than 20 minutes to cook. So crack it right here. I just put it right in. Add my salt and peppers. I usually pop the yolk. I don't like when it's like runny or like runny out. I like my thing cooked, but I do like the sunny side up look. But I tried it before, and like you guys see when I took myself out to eat, I had runny eggs. I did have my eggs, but I forgot to tell them that. Like my yolk cooked. I definitely forgot to tell them that, but it was okay. I still ate it. I still enjoyed it. The waffle brand that I use is called Catchy Go. Protein waffles. This is the vanilla buttermilk flavor. It has 13 grams of protein, and the total carb is 22 grams. The fats are 11 grams, and they recommend you eating 2 waffles, which is what I always do. This is all I need. I know myself, I'm not an avocado eater like that, but I want to get my healthy fats in, so I'm just trying to make sure I get them thinly sliced. Like I've seen the girlies cut their avocados really so nice and thin, and I'm just like, how is avocado so cute looking? And I always have ugly looking avocados, but I'm getting there now. This is how it looks, my avocados. Pop it back up. Take my waffles out. So we have 2 fried eggs, hot quarter avocado with salt and pepper on top, and 2 protein waffles. I just wanted to let you guys know that I decided to have snacks. I have a cranberry and chocolate trail mix. This has about 3 servings, but I've been nibbling. Is it 3? 4.5. It has 4.5 servings of nuts in here, trail mix in here. But I've been nibbling it since I got it on Tuesday, so I haven't had a full serving, just like a handful. I might continue doing that. It has a lot of cranberries in it, so I don't really see myself eating the 4.5 servings like right away. I might keep this longer than expected. And I'm also gonna have some skinny popcorn. Skinny popcorn has 100 calories. I like light snacks. I don't like anything too heavy. So I'm having lunch. I'm having a chicken dish with kale. It's a kale salad basically with butternut squash. The butternut squash is made with scallions in the oven, baked for like 30 to 40 minutes. Literally, this was supposed to be a 30-minute dish, but some of the dishes don't take long as they suggest. I think they take longer sometimes, especially the prep. But there wasn't a lot of prep with this. All I really had to do was like chop the kale, cook the chicken, then chop it after it was cooked. Add the dressing, and that was pretty much it. It's a really simple dish, as you can see. I'm also gonna have, let me show you guys. I'm also gonna have a glass of, because I'm not craving it, but I do want some wine. So I'm not a wino. Before people think I'm a wino, I had wine last time. I am transitioning to like restricting my wine intake. I don't drink wine a lot, but sometimes I do have the craving. This is sparkling, non-alcoholic white grape juice cocktail from Concentrate. This is light and it goes great with a salad, and it's kind of giving me that Moscato taste without the Moscato sugar. I decided to have a snack before I have my dinner, so I'm gonna have this protein shake. I really take this is something optional. I'm just hungry. Vegan or plant-based organic protein shake. I like this brand. This is one of the best tasting protein shakes I've had. This French vanilla flavor, you can find this on Amazon. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna put it in a glass, and I don't have any ice. It would be nice to have it with ice, but this is what is gonna work for me now. So I'm meal prepping something right now. I don't know if I'm gonna eat this tonight, but I decided to show you just in case. I don't know. I'm meal prepping things for tomorrow and Wednesday for my lunch for work. It's a very filling dinner. I decided not to make the lentil soup tonight because I don't even have all the ingredients in the house to make it. So I'm right now making a chickpea, kale, and Brussels sprouts like bowl. It's very filling. Like honestly, like after I have this, I don't even feel the need to have anything else to eat. But everything is done prepping almost. I'm trying to get the kale to break down more. It's still too hard for this kind of meal. It's supposed to be more thin, and this was like three long strips of like three long and big strips of kale. But I think this is enough. It looks pretty cooked to me. Ooh, pretty cooked to me. Brown rice. This is about like 3.5 cups of rice, cooked cups of rice. So I'm gonna split it into servings because of my this is 1 can of chickpeas, and each can of chickpeas is about 2.5 servings, I believe. But this is basically everything. Right here. I'm gonna get ready to make the salmon because when I think about it, between now and Tuesday, I'm not gonna have a lot of time to cook, and I'm not gonna have food. So I'm gonna make this salmon. Here my salmon is already seasoned. Paprika, black pepper, parsley. Gonna add some salt because salt's on the other side of the living room or the kitchen, so I'm gonna add that next. And drizzle a bit of oil on it and pop it on the pan. This takes about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. It doesn't take 12 to 20 minutes actually to cook. It doesn't take that long. It's very quick. I'm gonna get my asparagus ready and I'll show you guys that. So I'm gonna cut the ends of our asparagus. Feel like much the ends got. Eyes are watering. Okay, so I've been practicing mincing. So like you basically you get it to the point that it's really tiny. So this is how everything looks. My asparagus have been trimmed. I diced up some shallots and I minced some garlic. I already flipped the salmon. So this is how it looks on the other side. I used that lid and I covered it so that the inside can go. This is always the trick that I've been using to get the middle nice and cooked inside so nothing is pink or raw. Because this is not sushi. Although I do like sushi, but not this type of sushi. I'm going to put the top back on so it can cook a little longer and give that a few minutes. Then I'm going to cook my asparagus. And hopefully my asparagus don't take more than 8 minutes because I'm going to put top on it right away. So I added everything to the pan, the salad, the minced garlic. I didn't add any additional oil. It's whatever oil from the salmon will be used to cook the asparagus, and it looks pretty good to me. I'm going to add some salt, pepper, and that's about it to make it taste good. Just finished meal prepping, and the servings that I basically made it up to 2. So I just filled up these 2. When I in the morning, I'll add some Dijonnaise to it, and it's 1 tablespoon is a serving, but usually I'll be just a little extra. I don't care. It just gives a savory taste to it, but it's a really, really good bowl. I really recommend it to those who do want to try vegetarian meals. My asparagus is done, and I really am excited. I'm looking forward to tasting them. My salmon is also done. That's basically the end of the what am I eating my day / meal prep video, because the last 2 things are prepped for the next 2 to 3 days. So yeah, that's basically the end, and I really hope you guys like these. Please thumbs it up if you do like videos like this. I love making videos like this. It's a hassle to make it, but I honestly find cooking therapeutic for me. So please comment and like it. Let me know in the comment section below if you got to the end of the video. Please quote me. Hawa's favorite fish is salmon. Please type that in. That means you're true day one. Not true day one, but that means you're a true one. You watch to the end. You watch it to the whole. I don't know what numbers we at, what time stamp we at, but if you watch it to the end, Hawa's favorite fish is salmon. Yeah, I'm so glad you guys are really rocking with me. You're sticking with me, and I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. And make sure to comment Hawa loves salmon. Bonus, also whitening fish. Bonus. No, cod. If you heard cod too, type that in. If you made it to the end, cod. I know I said one fish, but if you made it to the end and you heard all of this, do what you gotta do in the comment section. Do what you gotta do in the comment section. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Angelina, they cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver.